All right, so good luck with that, as Empress said. Well, it's now time for our fun stuff. We've been tasked to translate the popular British, Scottish, or Australian terms to standard English and Jamaicanize it. That is translated to patois. So we'll go alternately. Of course, the meaning in English will go up on screen after we've guessed it. What's the first one? I'll get the first one.
You get the
it
first
says
one?
fancy a cuppa. I suspect if the great whoever could turn me off, fancy a cuppa would say in standard English, do you want a cup of tea? And in Jamaica, you just say, you want a cup of tea, aya? No, sir?
Yes, I am.
Hello? You say you want to put it, would you like a cup of tea? I was perfectly
There
right.
you go.
And in patois, me just say, you want a cup of tea, aya?
All
What's
right.
the next one?
Australia. I better get all the Australian ones because I'm probably the only one here in the entire studio who has lived in Australia. So let's go now. Good on ya. The English would be good on ya. Well done. And then the Jamaican nice would be Jamaica. Well done. Come on, a good thing that. Good job, a good thing that. Yeah? What would be the Jamaican nice? All right. There you go. Great. Next one, Never you. British.
Mind the gap. I think, I'm not certain. I think mind the gap is, like when you go on the trains,
Oh.
there's a little gap between where you step off and where you go on the train.
Right.
So mind the gap, which is standard English, would mean be careful of, well, look where you're going. I was going to say be careful. And in Jamaica, I say, watch where you're going up, brethren or sister. So watch where you go.
Watch where you go.
No, sir?
Yeah. Watch where you go.
Yeah.
Look
All
where you're
right.
going. Well
What's
done.
the next one?
The next one would be.
Good luck with this one, yeah.
I know this one
Oh,
very
you
well.
do?
Yes. This is some Australians love to have a good drink. You understand? So they would say this the next morning. Oh, well, what a real good last night.
Oh,
I
that's
don't want
not-
to use
I
the
thought it was
word.
the other one.
So in English, it is saying we had a good drink up last night. And in Jamaican, we would say, it was a good party or we had a good drink up, either one. And because the PISS word would
And
mean
patois
drink.
would mean what?
And Pato would say, last night, turn up. I'm a frost, last last night, turn up in a bed.
Yeah.
Frost.
Scottish, you're a wee scunner. Wee means small. Scunner, I have no idea what it means.
Scunner.
I have no idea what it means. I know wee means small, so you're a small
What's
or a little. I don't know what scunner means. So move on. Tell me
Can
what.
we get the translation real quick?
You're a little whiner.
Whiner.
Annoying.
You're a wee scunner.
Yeah.
You know, I've been meaning to tell you that.
You're a whiner. I didn't know what scunner meant. Which means, Bridget, you just ball
All right,
about
British, sod off.
Well, I know what that
Sod
means.
off. I guess that means go away,
Yeah,
I guess.
yeah,
Let's go. Translation.
yeah.
We're done here.
Yeah, kind of,
Yeah,
I mean,
go away.
yeah, I agree.
Done with you.
Why am I getting the Scottish ones? Don't be a wee, what's this, clipe? I have no idea
No
again.
idea.
Don't know. I have no idea. Tell me, please.
Don't be a telltale. Oh. Talk my business.
Yeah.
I chat too much, Jamaican.
Australian.
This
next one.
Australian one is a little funny. I'm not sure if I know this one. Okay.
Up yourself.
Up yourself, meaning. Let's see what the producer wrote for this one.
Oh, you're stuck up.
Oh yeah, up yourself. So up yourself, you like.
It's true about you.
Highty
Yeah,
tighty.
you're stuck up.
What a
it's true.
Jamaican would like it.
Yeah, you're stuck up.
Yeah, highty tighty,
Yeah.
something like that. All right.
And the last one, that's easy. Can I have a beer?
Can I have a
And
cold one?
let's just say, boss, pass a beer for I and I.
Yeah.
No, sir? Oh, there you go. What? Let me
Arvo?
know. What's Arvo?
Oh, see you in the Arvo, mate. See you in the Arvo, afternoon. Yes.
But that one was not my thing.
See you in the Arvo,
Oh,
mate.
okay.
All right, so we have given you, so we've learned something new. You can tell that
What is
Jamaica.
scunner again? What is scunner?
Scunner is a
What was it
whiner,
mean?
complainer.
Oh, okay. First me that one.
Huh? No, the reason that one stuck in my head because when I saw that, I keep seeing you. You look always.
Nobody know wine like she, you know. She
Me?
a top wine is.
No, I will. No, let's tell Jamaica the truth.
Yeah.
I don't whine and complain. I just speak truth.
Yeah.
And I don't stand for foolishness wherever I work or wherever I am. I am somebody that likes things to be done the right way and be consistent with it.
In other words, you're a scunner.
I'm not a scunner, people, but I do speak my mind on and off air at all times. That was fun. Any
You're a
more?
scunner.
That's it? Go ahead. Sod off. Sod off, mate.
What's next?
What's next? You tell me.
Is you must tell we.
Up next, the Pep Tutor app. Stay tuned.
As you must tell we. So come, folks.